Hey everybody, today we are making bison burgers and it is going to be me and my dad. We kicked Mom out.
Well, not actually kicked her out, we just put her in the front seat. She is up in the front seat, maybe right down here.
Hi everyone.
So it's just going to be us grilling these burgers.
We're going to have a father and son cookout.
But, however, we'll all be together when we go to eat.
We're going to do grilled bison.
When I was 12 years old and growing up, we would make these burgers all the time. My dad once made me these bison burgers. I had no idea what they were until he put these on the grill, and boy, when he put the first bison burger on the grill and I took that first bite, it was delicious. Here's what it looks like.
We are doing 4 pounds of this so that Tony has enough to take home with him. Is add a half red onion diced. Just going to add that in there. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper is in here. And he's just going to dump that in there like that.
I can't wait to get these on the grill.
Okay, now what we're going to add, 4 cloves of garlic minced. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to add that into here. And now what we're going to add, half a cup of Worcestershire sauce. You want to add this with me, Tony?
Yep. Try saying that 10 times faster. See if you don't get your tongue in a double knot.
And we're going to add 1 egg. Broken, that is.
Oh, it smells like
I got these here ugly looking blue gloves on, so they don't fit right. Now I gotta go in here and mix it all up and
Ow. Sounds like you're walking through a mud puddle with shoes with mud puddle. Just
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little ball about the size of a tennis ball, and that's gonna make a nice sized patty. Flatten that out. Got 8 burgers. Pretty good sized burgers. Everybody, I got 8 burgers out of the 4 pounds. And I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before they go on the grill. Okay, what we're going to do is just put a little bit of fluid on that.
all right, awesome.
Yeah. Now we just got to give that a couple minutes.
How long are you cooking those?
8 minutes per side. Okay, Tony, I'm gonna place this burger. Come on to this. We're gonna bend down. We're gonna slide that burger right off on it.
Oh, wow. All right.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. They have done an excellent job of cooking out.
They're pretty fast.
Yeah, they are.
They are.
Oh my gosh.
That's a burger.
Yep.
That is a burger.
Yep. Well, we had fun with y'all cooking out on the grill. subscribe, leave us a message or a comment, and it's been a pleasure being with y'all today. So see you later.
Paul, good job. The boys deserve a thumbs up. You can keep eating, Tony. It's very humid today outside, and I'm feeling a little wilted. So we are going to wrap this up. Had a nice visit with Tony. He's got to go home pretty soon. He wanted to eat his buffalo burger first. Give Tony a thumbs up and leave him a comment. I'll make sure I read it to him and that he gets it. So, bye y'all. Happy eating! Bye y'all.
I'm getting ready to cook alive.
It's gonna be barbecue Tony.
Nine.
Not. Dang.
Tony, what was that?
Night.
Did you whistle?